Welcome back to our woodworking channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of creating your very own custom table. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this project is perfect for honing your skills and adding a stunning piece of furniture to your home. So, let's get started. 1. Design and planning. Determine the dimensions and style of the table you want to build. Consider the purpose of the table and where it will be placed in your home or outdoor space. Sketch out your design and make a list of materials and tools you'll need. 2. Gather materials and tools. Choose the type of wood you want to use for your table. Common options include oak, pine, maple, or birch. Purchase the necessary materials such as wood boards, screws, wood glue, sandpaper, and a finish or stain. Gather your woodworking tools, which may include a table saw, miter saw, drill, chisels, clamps, and measuring tools. 3. Prepare the wood. Measure and mark the dimensions of the table components on the wood boards. Use a table saw or circular saw to cut the boards according to your measurements. Ensure all the pieces are smooth and free from any rough edges using sandpaper. 4. Assemble the tabletop. Arrange the tabletop boards face down on a flat surface, ensuring they are aligned properly. Apply wood glue along the edges of the boards and press them together. Secure the boards with clamps, making sure they are tightly held together. Allow the glue to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Construct the table base. Depending on your design, cut and assemble the legs, aprons, and support pieces for the table base. Use screws or dowels to join the components together securely. Double-check for levelness and stability by using a carpenter's square or level. 6. Attach the tabletop to the base. Flip the tabletop upside down and position it on top of the base. Drill pilot holes through the base into the tabletop, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Secure the tabletop to the base using screws, countersinking them slightly to hide the heads. 7. Finishing touches. Sand the entire table, starting with coarse grit sandpaper and progressing to finer grits for a smooth surface. Wipe away any dust and apply a wood finish or stain of your choice following the manufacturer's instructions. Allow the finish to dry completely before using or applying additional coats if desired. Congratulations! You've successfully built your own custom woodworking table. Now, step back and admire your handiwork. Remember, woodworking is a journey of creativity and skill building, so don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and techniques. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next project. Happy woodworking!